Welcome to Pharmalytics. Today we'll dive into one of the most crucial topics in the pharmaceutical industry, 21 CFR Part 211. Stay tuned as we explore its key aspects. Essentially, this regulation applies to any drug products intended for human use, excluding investigational drugs, biologics, and a few other specialized categories. It ensures that drug products meet quality standards, are safe, and are effective for their intended use. Compliance is mandatory for manufacturers. Section 211.42 covers the design and construction of manufacturing facilities. The layout must prevent contamination, and the facilities should be easy to clean. Proper ventilation, lighting, and plumbing are also essential. Section 211.46 ensures that raw materials and drug products are stored properly to maintain their quality. This includes maintaining specific temperature and humidity conditions. Section 211.63 focuses on equipment design, maintenance, and cleaning. Equipment must be designed to minimize the risk of contamination, and it should be maintained in proper working condition. Regular inspections and cleaning are key. Safety protocols must be strictly followed to ensure a safe working environment. Calibration and quality control checks are essential for maintaining equipment accuracy. An organized workflow helps in maintaining efficiency and compliance with regulations. Section 211.80 requires that all components used in drug products, such as raw materials and drug containers, be tested for quality. Only approved materials can be used in production. Section 211.100 mandates that manufacturers establish written procedures for all production processes. These procedures must be followed precisely to ensure consistent product quality. Section 211.110 requires that in-process materials be regularly sampled and tested to ensure they meet the quality standards. Regular reviews of quality control data are essential to maintain compliance and ensure the safety and efficacy of drug products. Automated systems and vigilant monitoring help in maintaining the integrity of the production process. Finally, the quality assurance team inspects the final products to ensure they meet all regulatory standards before they reach the market. Section 211.130 covers the packaging and labeling of drug products. The packaging process must be designed to prevent mix-ups and contamination. It also requires that every drug label be accurate and compliant with FDA guidelines. Proper storage conditions are essential to maintain drug quality and efficacy. Regular testing ensures that the drugs meet all required standards throughout their shelf life. Section 211.180 emphasizes the importance of proper record keeping. All manufacturing processes, testing results, and deviations from standard procedures must be documented and retained for future review. This ensures traceability and accountability in pharmaceutical manufacturing, which is crucial for maintaining product quality and compliance with regulatory standards. So there you have it. We've just covered the major sections of 21 CFR Part 211, from personnel qualifications to records and reports. Each part of this regulation plays a crucial role in ensuring that pharmaceutical products are manufactured to the highest quality standards. By adhering to these guidelines, companies can ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of their products, ultimately protecting public health. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the essential aspects of pharmaceutical manufacturing regulations. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this breakdown useful, please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Stay tuned for more in-depth pharmaceutical insights from Pharmalytics. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content.